off the island, stockpiling the songs, and we don't stop the violence. We provided a cause. Let's get the fuck out of Dodge. Now we're driving across county lines, 95. I'm the driver on course. I drive my truck like I'm driving a Porsche. Time to liven up the show, buck wild and of course. Here we go. I put myself out there to see what I'm worth, in search of something great in life before I'm deep in the dirt. See, first it's how the listeners receiving your words, and if the beat ain't right, you're probably just defeating the purpose. They want me supplying heat to the furnace, spitting fire like I'm sipping ether from a thermos. Jump feet first, emerge in a world that's become my life and love, taking place of a girl's steps. Hip hop, show a love, should show it back. You gotta make it happen on your own, so you know the facts. I get around like a cul-de-sac, cause the current state of this music is colder than the polar caps. The average eye doesn't notice that. They're preoccupied with their looks and rappers like an overcast. Slow or fast, we're here to kick the door open, while all of your favorite MCs are soft spoken. I'm the broad shoulders holding up the weight of this song, hoping to make my mark in music till the day that I'm gone. Man up if you're feeling this shit tonight. Throw a hand up if you're willing to kick this right. Don't stand tough if you're loving to live your life under the blinking light. You're hugging that drink too tight, hands clutched and you're double fisting like your tabs up and you must have missed a night. Man look, we ain't one for fist to fight, but we smash things and we're bound to hit you like. Been paying dues, been putting in footwork. We've been making moves, you're making it look worse. 48 bars of bragging all in a shook verse, so damn bland couldn't tell where the hooks were. Look sir, I ain't got no time for arguments. The weight of the world been wearing at my cartilage. Pardon him for holding up a record no one's tarnishing. Heard your last album, had to throw it in the garbage bin. This is grassroots marketing, master of his craft, also known as an artisan. Targeting the trash to start to show you what a marksman is. Watch these suckers swear their parts before they even start to spit. Let them struggle in the dark abyss. I work hard trying to get the puzzle parts to fit. So stop the jealousy, start loving with your heart and live. The crowd spazzing like a bad case of Parkinson's. Start a limb when there's folks who not feeling us. You're either hating or you can't conceal your dumb. Pull the tongue back, uncut, come deal with us. Like a thumbtack, stuck up but real as fuck. Puncture lung sacs, testing my breath control. No question, we are better than you'll ever know. Ever setting goals and every record's mega dope. Deep space soul, hard to see it through a telescope. Man up if you're feeling this shit tonight. Throw a hand up if you're willing to kick this right. Don't stand tough if you're loving to live your life under the blinking light. You're hugging that drink too tight, hands clutched and you're double fisting like your tabs up and you must have missed a night. Man look, we ain't one for fist to fight, but we smash things and we're bound to hit you like